Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Sweet potatoes. The most nutritious and most neglected vegetable by many is sweet potato. Today's video is all about, are sweet potatoes really good to you? The method of selection, storage, why you have to eat this, and most importantly, recipes with sweet potatoes. So why late? Let's jump in to understand all about sweet potatoes. Firstly, how do I make a good selection? It is really important to choose small to medium sweet potatoes that have smooth skin and are firm. They should be free from cracks, soft spots, and blemishes. Now let's understand the proper storage of sweet potatoes. If you want to store it till 2 weeks, these should be stored in dry, dark, and cool area. If you're planning to choose only for 1 week, then you can store it on your kitchen platform itself. Now let's understand, why should you eat this? Because these are rich in vitamin C, which helps to heal cuts and wounds. These are high in vitamin A, which promotes good vision and cell growth. These are low in calories and loaded with vitamin B6. They naturally lower the high blood pressure and regulates the heartbeat. Isn't it interesting? Do try to consume sweet potatoes in your regular basis. Now let's get into the interesting part, that is healthy recipes with sweet potatoes. Today I've got you 2 interesting recipes. One is sweet potato chaat and sweet potato quinoa bowl. Now first let's understand about the sweet potato chaat. You have to just boil the sweet potato, add chaat masala, chili powder, roasted cumin seeds, rock salt, lime juice, green chilies, coriander. Mix them well and it's ready to eat the yummy, delicious sweet potato chaat. Now, let's peep into the sweet potato and quinoa bowl recipe. You have to boil the sweet potatoes and quinoa separately. Keep it aside. Now, in a kadai, add little oil, season it and add onions. Cook the sweet potatoes, roast it till where it turns brown color. Add quinoa, salt and mix it well and cook it at least for 3 minutes. And your yummy sweet potato quinoa bowl is ready. Believe me, it is yummy. Try it. Choose healthy, stay healthy because you deserve to be healthy. Try the interesting recipes. Include healthy foods in your diet. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And most importantly, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.